Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to send a one-time viewed voice recording on Telegram. A simple way to keep your private messages truly private. Whether you want to share a quick thought, a secret, or just something you don't want lingering in chat, this feature is perfect for you. First, open the Telegram app on your device and head to the chat where you want to send your message. It could be a one-on-one conversation or a group. Any chat will work. Once you're in, look for the microphone icon near the message box at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, here's where the magic starts. Tap and hold the microphone icon. As you hold it, begin recording your voice message. You can say whatever you want. Just remember, this message will only be heard once by the recipient. While you're still holding the microphone, swipe up on the screen. This action locks the recording, so you don't have to keep your finger pressed down. As soon as you swipe up, you'll notice a new icon appears. A small circle with the number 1 inside. That's the View Once icon. Tap on it to activate the one-time view feature. With your message recorded and the View Once option selected, you're almost done. All that's left is to tap the send arrow icon. Your message will be sent instantly, and the recipient will see a special indicator showing it's a one-time listen. Once they play it, the message disappears from the chat, leaving no trace behind. This feature is a great way to keep your conversations secure and your messages temporary. Remember, once the recipient listens to your voice message, it's gone for good. No rewinding, no replaying, and no saving. It's as close to a real-life whisper as you can get in the digital world. So, next time you want to send something private, try out Telegram's one-time viewed voice recording. It's quick, easy, and keeps your secrets safe. Thanks for tuning in, and happy messaging.